Okay, so here we are with another e-liquid review. This one I actually purchased from ejuicedb. You know what, online. And I purchased it for $15.99. They come in 0, 3, and 6. And this is the box that it comes in. And then I got the Keep It 100 OG Summer Blue. I think I've only had one Keep It 100 flavor that I've ever tried. I'm not totally sure, but this is a 100 ml bottle and it does have the warning right there as well as up here. So we're going to go ahead and try this. Now the description of this is just in time for the warm weather. Sweet strawberries and mystical blue raspberries are blended with lemonade to create this amazing blue slushy lemonade. Smells like, actually, it smells like blue raz, just straight blue raz. I thought I smelled a little bit of lemonade, but I think that was the raz. But anyways, okay, so we've got another fresh wick. This is my Nudge 22 on top of my Lost Vape Thelema. So we're going to go ahead and try that. I'm going to just raise up this wattage a little bit. And I'm excited about this. I'm getting into like fruit flavors all of a sudden. I don't know what it is. I've been buying fruit flavors. I've been liking fruit flavors. Before it was just desserts. Now I'm getting into fruits and dessert. I don't know. Something's wrong with me. Anyways, so fresh wick. Let's go ahead and drip. Now I did get mine in 6 milligrams, which usually I have mine in 3, but I think I chose the wrong option, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and try it. And then, you know, based on if I like it or not, I like to use like higher nicotine and pod systems sometimes. So this might just be a pod flavor for me going forward, but we'll see. I don't know. The flavor smells absolutely amazing. I love blue raz. So I don't know what it is about it. It's just blue raz and me are just best friends. So here we go. Got that all put together. Again, from Keep It 100. If I don't cover the bottle. OG Summer Blue. Let's do this. The blue raz isn't coming through like I thought it was. Like by the smell, you smell just blue raz, like in your face blue raz. The blue raz is there, but it's not like in your face blue raz. It's on the end. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's on the end. During the exhale, you're getting the blue raz. Not really tasting a lemonade though. But it does have like a slushy kind of feel to it, like mouth feel to it. Not my favorite blue raz. Not my favorite lemonade either. I've actually made like a blue raz lemonade before myself. And it had a little bit more of that blue raz type of feel to it. This has the mouthfeel of a slushie, but it doesn't have like that in-your-face blue raz that I really, really like and that I really thought it was. It's there, but it's like on the end. But it's just, it's there at the very, right there. Right at the end. It's not my favorite. I'm going to try it in a pod and see how I like it in a pod system. But to be honest with you, on first impressions, not my favorite. So if you've tried this flavor, which is the OG Summer Blue, let me know your thoughts down below. Because for me, it's not hitting that blue raz flavor that I really, really like and that I was expecting. It's not really hitting that lemonade either for me personally. It's there, but it's like right on the tip of the exhale. It's not really like, I don't know. It's surprising, to be honest with you. Not my favorite. It's there. It's on the end. You're getting it, but it's not in your face like blue. Maybe it's the lemonade that's toning it down. Do you think? I don't know. It's there, but it's like right on the end. I'm getting a little bit of sweetness from it, but I'm not getting the full on like in your face blue raz or lemonade on the inhale. It's mostly all on the exhale and right towards the end. It's got a little bit of sweetness, but not my favorite. But yeah, that was the Keep It 100 OG Summer Blue. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like it? Do you have it? What is it to you? Maybe it's because I got the higher nicotine. I'm not sure. But for me, it's not my favorite blue raz. I did recently try another blue raz that was in your face, sweet blue raz, and it was so good. That's what I expected from this line especially, but it's not. It's not what I thought it was going to be. I don't know. That's my opinion. But again, taste is subjective. So if you like something that I don't like, that's okay. If I like something that you don't like, that's okay. Taste has always been subjective. Through my journey, I've noticed this. I've changed my flavor profiles and things like that on what I like, what I don't like. I do like candies and blue raz and everything like that. But this one just didn't hit that spot for me. But let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.